Being able to evolve your business is one of the keys to success, and you should have a platform with flexibility to grow so that your business is always up to date. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to demo some of the ways that you can expand your online store experience. There are far too many features built into Managed WooCommerce stores for me to cover with you in this demo, but let's take a peek under the hood at a few that will help you manage your orders, recover missed sales opportunities, and build loyalty with your customers. If you sell physical products, then you'll probably already know that it takes a lot of time and energy to manage everything that goes into shipping those products out to your customers. When you're editing an order, you'll notice that shipment tracking is already enabled within the order itself. You won't need to install any additional plugins or use any other method of providing tracking information to your customers. Simply scroll down to the shipment tracking section of the order and click Add Shipment Tracking. You'll be able to add a tracking number, tracking URL, and choose your carrier from the drop-down menu. The tracking URLs will appear in the customer's account as well as in order emails that are sent out to the customer. You'll have the option to complete the order by checking the box and selecting which items are shipping if there are multiple items on the order. Purchasing and printing shipping labels is another part of the business that can be a hassle at times. Through our partnership with ShipEngine, you can connect your WooCommerce store's account to receive up to 66% off rates from shipping providers like USPS and UPS. Once connected, you'll have the option to create a shipping label instead of just entering tracking information. This will streamline the fulfillment process, save you money, and get your products out to your customers much quicker. You'll be able to select the shipping origin and destination addresses, which products are being shipped from the order, and adjust the weight of the package to get the best possible shipping rates. You'll also be able to purchase the label directly within that same flow. Once purchased, the tracking information will automatically update within the order. Communication with your customers is one of the most important skills when building trust and loyalty. And that's why having email templates that are customized to fit your brand is so important. You have full flexibility to customize your template, categories, and content for all of the different types of emails that you send out to your customers from within the marketing section of Managed WooCommerce stores. You'll be able to upload your logo, choose your brand colors, and customize your font to be used in the emails you send out. You'll also be able to enter the sender name as well as the email address that you're sending communication from. And now with Managed WooCommerce stores, you'll be able to adjust and edit the pre-existing email categories without the need of additional plugins or extensions. When you click on the category that you'd like to adjust, you can click Settings to adjust the subject and preview text. There's also a list of additional placeholders if you'd like to change the default placeholder. Under Content, you can adjust the heading towards the top of the email and customize the additional content that is found towards the bottom. You can preview what your email will look like in mobile or desktop before you save it. Along with the pre-existing email categories already included, you'll be able to create additional email categories to fit the needs of your business. Adding a cart recovery email category is something that can really benefit your business. In so many cases, people will be browsing online stores and place an item in their cart, but then get distracted and forget to complete the purchase. Being able to remind your customers that they may have forgotten something in their cart can lead to an increase of up to 20% in what would have been missed sales. Adding an incentive like a coupon code to complete the purchase may also help. Offering that special deal to your customers, even if it's just 10% off, can be the deciding factor on if they decide to purchase your product. You can name the coupon code yourself or generate coupon code if you want to randomly generate one. You'll be able to select the discount type, enter the amount, grant free shipping, and enter an expiration date from the General tab. Under the Usage Restrictions tab, you have a variety of different options to choose from when setting the parameters for the customer to use the code. With usage limits, you can adjust how many times the code can be used altogether or by one single user. You can also enable application of the code when a URL or page is visited in addition to the checkout form. While there are so many amazing features already built into your Managed WooCommerce store, You'll also have the flexibility to infinitely expand upon the initial features. You'll have access to over 25 included premium SkyVerge plugins. That's thousands of dollars in value at no additional cost. You'll also have access to the thousands of additional plugins and extensions offered in the vast WooCommerce and WordPress ecosystem, right at your fingertips. And one of the best parts about it is the software stack is fully managed so that you can focus on running your business instead of managing all of the back-end stuff. With managed WooCommerce stores, you'll have the ability to expand your store experience so that your store is a direct reflection of your business. I'm Darlene, thanks for watching.